Congress has intensified its preparation for the 2022 UP Assembly elections. For the beginning of the Assembly elections in Purvanchal, Priyanka Gandhi has chosen October 2 as the day and the city, Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not fulfill the wishes of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. The demand for caste census was not accepted. By the way, the demand for giving Central University status to Patna University has also been rejected. China's famous brand JNBY is spreading hatred against India through its clothes. Many provocative and violent texts are also written on the products of this brand of children's clothing. After the resignation of Captain Amrinder Singh, Charanjit Singh Channi has become the first Dalit Sikh Chief Minister of Punjab, but his cabinet has not been expanded yet. The incident of gang war in Rohini District Court has blown the senses. It has also exposed security in courtroom. The Bar Council of Delhi has expressed strong displeasure over the incident. Pakistan is the happiest after the Taliban occupation in Afghanistan. This is a reason that at the time of the announcement of the Taliban government, Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid, the chief of Pakistan Intelligence Agency ISI, had reached Kabul. Delhi's big gangster Jitin Gogu has been killed in a gang war. He succumbed to his injuries in the hospital after being injured in the firing inside the Rohini court. At the same time, both the attackers were gunned down by the police in the courtroom itself. IIT Guwahati has expelled the student accused of raping a fellow student. In this case, it has been said that there has been a gross indiscipline act on the part of the student, which is a violation of the student's code of conduct. The number of foreigners working in Saudi Arabia and constituency decreasing. More than 500,000 people have lost their job in Saudi in the last 1 year. The newly appointed Director General of Police of Maharashtra, Sanjay Pandey, has taken a very important and trouble-reducing decision for all the women policemen, constable working in the police force of the state. Murgut Kagal municipality of Kolhapur has now passed a resolution against senior BJP leader and former MP Kirit Somaiya that he should not be allowed to enter the municipal area. Parveena Banu started her career in Aamir Khan's hit film Lagaan and she played the role of Kesariya. Parveena Banu had a brain stroke in the year 2011 and since then her health kept deteriorating.